The Terrain is GMC's entry in the compact crossover market, and it's a pretty enjoyable vehicle. Available with front or all-wheel drive, and a choice of 4 or 6-cylinder power, the Terrain is quite well equipped in all versions. We've checked out a 4-cylinder front-wheel drive model and a V6 all-wheel driver, and we found good performance with both versions. The only transmission available with either engine is a 6-speed automatic with sequential manual capability. The 4-cylinder displaces 2.4 liters and puts out 182 horsepower and 172 pound-feet of torque. It provided us with smooth, quiet responses and returned right around 26 miles per gallon in a variety of driving. The V6 is a 3-liter unit, generating 264 horsepower and 222 pound-feet of torque, and offers further refinement and stronger performance. Our fuel mileage with the all-wheel drive V6 came in at just over 21 miles to the gallon. Towing capacity for properly equipped 4-cylinder models is 1,500 pounds, while the V6 can handle up to 3,500 pounds. The Terrain's handling is accurate and predictable, and while not necessarily sporting, the GMC is pleasant to drive in varying conditions. Stability and traction control keep things sure-footed on slippery and rough surfaces, naturally more so with the all-wheel drive, and the structure has a solid feel over bumpy roads. A comfortable interior and good ride characteristics add to the Terrain's agreeable demeanor. Stretch-out space in the front and rear seats is quite good for a relatively compact vehicle, as is cargo capacity. Even base-level Terrain models include such niceties as a rear-view camera system, trip computer, a telescoping as well as tilting steering wheel, OnStar, and satellite radio. And you can add plenty of other luxury and convenience items on top of the impressive standard equipment list. Outside, standard features include fog lamps, daytime running lights and automatic headlamps, deep tinted windows, heated mirrors, and aluminum wheels. Higher level models provide a variety of additional comfort and convenience features to make things even nicer for drivers and passengers. Base pricing for the GMC Terrain starts at just over $25,000 for a front-drive 4-cylinder model, and moves up to a bit over $33,000 for a top-level all-wheel drive V6. The compact crossover segment of the SUV market is quite crowded, but we think the GMC Terrain is a worthy contender, offering good driving dynamics, refinement, and value, so make sure you check it out.